Hi everyone, welcome. Today we are sharing an amazing tool with you. If you are token lover and you are looking for a good profit, so it's best tool for you. First of all, you have to join the subscription, connect the wallet. After connecting the wallet, here you can create a new wallet and then you can deposit some soul here, and next you have to create sub wallets. Minimum you can uh, generate 5 wallets and maximum you can generate 100 wallets. After generating the sub wallets, you can transfer funds from main wallet to these sub wallet. Here is the amount of fixed amount and the random amount. You can fixed amount like 0.1 sol to each sub wallet. Even you can choose here minimum 0.01 and maximum 0.2, and here like we have 2 sol. So the bot will divide automatically and random amount in the all sub wallets. Even you can get here the private key of this wallet address you generated. Okay, you can save it, and even you can withdraw funds from this wallet to your own wallet. So you have to just paste here your own wallet address and click on withdraw, so it will be transfer all of funds to your wallet. Next, let's talk about sub wallets. When you transfer funds from main wallet to sub wallets, so all wallet will show balance here. You can also download the all wallets keys here, download keys, so our file will be downloaded in your PC. Even you can delete all sub wallets clicking here, and also you can transfer funds from sub wallets to main wallet. So click here and just click on transfer. These all balance will go in the main wallet. Okay, so let's come to the main functionality where we are buying the token and increasing the trading volume of our token. So you have to search here your token address and this token address, and paste here and search. It will be show symbol address to option buy and sell, also the holding of the token balance and these wallets, and also we look here chart. We are clicking here on the buy. If you are want to buy, like all wallets will buy a same amount like 0.1 all wallets, so then you have to put the amount and click on fixed buy. If you want to buy random amount, so all wallet will buy random amount, so you have to just click on the random buy. So as the amount in the wallet they will buy. Okay, so after buying, the balance of the tokens will come here. If any wallet not buy, they will remain balance 0, and they will not consume your soul, because sometimes the issue of the mining blocks on the blockchain, so sometimes the wallets cannot buy the tokens. So this is the tools where you can buy and sell your token and increasing your token trading volume.